Welcome back, guys. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. And in this video I am going to do a spring summer nail design with these custom made acrylic powders. You know, in India we don't get colored acrylics, so we have to make it. And the flowers that you see are from a craft store, and the gold foil, I'll leave the link in the description box. I will start with this nail. I will do this in real time, and when these two nails I will speed up, and when I'll come to these two nails again I'll do it in real time. So I will start with this color. So close the mouth, the lid, and just roll it before using it, so everything will get mixed up. So I'm taking the monomer and applying a very thin layer. Remember, when you are working with colored acrylics, never apply thick layers. Always apply thin layers and keep your boundaries, the side walls, as precise as possible. Now summer has come, गर्मी आ चुकी है, so I am going to make a series on ombres. As you know, summer is for ombre, and I'll be doing many types of ombres: acrylic, gel, glitter, pigments, and different techniques of ombres. So don't miss any of my videos. You will lose something. So hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a single video of mine. Now take a medium to wet bead when you are doing with colored acrylics. Then it will glide on very easily. See, now these colors are very sheer. Oh, I think you can't see. I'm so sorry, I was out of frame. Now these colors are very sheer colors. So what I have done is, I will take some of this color, very little, and will apply over here and will blend it down. Blend it up as much as you can. One thing have you noticed? I never do square nails. This is the first time I'm doing square nails. For you guys. Not for me, because you love square nails. I have seen that many of you do square nails. Why I am using this color? Because I don't want to show my nail bed. Once this color gets blended, I will take a little more of this color because it came here. I don't want that to come here. Hope you can see. Then again I'll take this color and a liquid bead. Always remember, if you want to do your thin color beads, then take liquid beads, and then you encapsulate with clear acrylic, because colored acrylics are costly and it takes lots of time to do a colored acrylic, the actual color, if you want to do the actual color. Now I will take this again. I have to give it a mix. Just roll it, open it, and then use it. Sorry. And always remember to wipe your brushes. See the lovely contrast. Oh my god, I never thought it will come like this. Oh my god, see guys, see. So this way I will do these two nails. Now one thing I forgot to mention here, that I have applied peel off base coat on my nail beds, just because I will pop off these nails after completing this video. And if you want to keep your nails, then of course prep properly and then prime and then apply your nail tips and do the rest of the work. But if you want to peel it off like I will do, then you can apply, and you don't have a peel off base coat, then apply cuticle oil on your nail bed and then apply either base coat or top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. It will act as a peel off base coat. So that is the secret. It's very easy. And I am in a very good mood today. For the last 1 week I didn't do a single video because I was sick with vaccination. I had COVID vaccination and I was completely in bed. But now I am in full mood and I am so happy that I can again do videos. I am so happy that I am doing nails. Actually, doing nails for me is a stress relief. It is really such a wonderful feeling when I do nails. I never felt this good when I used to direct a film, or when I used to, as you know, I am an advocate. So when I pleaded in court, but when I painted, I am a painter also. When I painted, I had this feeling, the feeling I have today while doing nails. It just gives me so much serenity. I just love it. And there are many type of videos. One thing I want to note here, that there are many type of videos on YouTube on how to make your custom acrylic colors. So you can see those. But if still you want me to make a video, then please let me know in the comments. Ta ta ta! It came out so well. One thing I'll tell you guys, when you are applying the acrylic colors, as you have seen, I'm constantly wiping the sides. Keep your acrylic towards the middle. And if your application is neat, then the finished filing will become more easy. Now we will go to clear acrylic powder. Now here comes the main challenging portion. Let me see whether I can do it or not. Now let me scatter this. There are some small pieces, some big pieces. So let's see whether I can do what I am trying to. So first I'll take the clear acrylic, very little, okay, and we'll apply it on the full nail. We'll take some wet bin, okay? Just to apply attach the flowers. Now let me take this, attach it here, a pink one, there, yellow one and pink one, both came, okay, no issues, it's not coming, a blue one, over here, another yellow, a smaller one over here. Okay, now I will cover it again with clear acrylic. A wet bed, a wet bed. Keep your hand this way so that the acrylic flows on its own. Now the acrylic the monomer I am using is fast setting monomer, so it is setting fast. Whether or not I am in a AC room, it is setting fast. Okay, no issues. On the first bit, it always happens. It takes time to understand what type of bead I should take and how much liquid is required to do the nail easily. Now there are some dense ups and downs on my nail. Can you see? There are some ups and downs on my nail. No issues again. No issues. I will file them off. I don't like it. Let me take some gold foils. This one will do more than enough, I think so. Okay, now I'll take a little more of acrylic powder. And what happened to this? No, not this. A blue one. No, a pink one. Some gold foils. I will make it beautiful, beautiful. You just wait and watch. Now I can see that my camera is going out of focus at times and again it's coming back to focus. See? Must be there are some spirit in my room. Actually, I have seen some videos where they say that when the camera goes out of focus, the spirit's presence is there. You know, those type of videos are there. Anyway, guys, one important thing. I want to share it with you because it happened with me. Now, there are some companies in Instagram, they are contacting people to become their brand ambassador. And once you accept it, they will send their rules and regulations, which is pretty simple. And they will ask you to choose some products, and when you choose them they will tell you to pay the shipping cost. Now, you know, I am an advocate. I could understand their strategy at once, and this is a scam. Why will a PR agency or a PR package will come with shipping cost? This is completely a scam, so never ever give in to it. I just told them no, so be careful, guys. Now it's pretty. So I'll encapsulate it afterwards. Now I'm taking a mixture I made out of mylar, glitter, pink glitter, mauve glitter, some mylars, and we'll take some to put it over here to make it more sparkly. Now guys, I'm very sorry for the background noise. You can hear the hissing noise, buzzing noise rather, that is from my old AC, window AC. In all other rooms of my house, there are split ACs, but only in this particular room where I do my nails, the window AC is there, my old window AC, and it makes too much of noise. So I'm really sorry for it. Please don't mind, guys. You enjoy the nails. Wait till the end, guys. Wait till the end. Then you see what type of design this comes out. Put it over the flowers. I think let me clear it. And change my napkin. Just turn it over. Yeah, it's okay. Don't leave any spots. Then you will see what result it comes out. What a bulky mulky rain, Baba. But I'll make it beautiful. You see. Now again, I will take some acrylic, dip it in this, the glitter mix, and we'll start applying it here. The acrylic is still wet, so I am not taking any more of acrylic. I am just taking the flaky mix and placing it up on my nail. Hope my head is not coming in between. And one thing, guys, always remember to wipe off your brushes. Whatever brush you are using, keep this thing in mind. Whenever you are using acrylic, always wipe your brush off. Otherwise, the acrylic will get attached to the brush and your brush will get ruined. I mean, it won't get ruined. There are many processes to clear the acrylic that has been deposited on your brush, but at that moment you won't be able to work with it anymore. You have to switch to another brush. So it's better you clean your brush always. Okay. Now I'm going to give this also a light touch of pink. See, the pink is little marbly. Now what's gone wrong? The ombre is not coming properly. Why? Oh, I'm getting angry. At times it happens, at times it happens. But you have to keep your patience, don't lose it. At times I am losing it, but I will keep my patience and will go on working. I have today my filing will be, I have to file a lot. Now where is my pink color? There. See what a lumpy bumpy nail I made. Is this expected from me? You tell me. Is this expected? No, na? That's the real problem. Why am I doing such bad job? Anyway, I will remove these colors. The only color I did not use is the yellow one. Now I have thought of something. Just a shush. Now isn't it looking pretty? Yes, it is looking. I will give it a touch here. Not so much. Here. There. In between. In between. Oh, what is this? Peeping up. Now I will start encapsulating the nails, but first I want to encapsulate this nail. Yuck. What a lumpy bumpy nail. I'll take wet bait and we'll start from the middle. Now I have sped up the encapsulation process. The only thing what I want to tell you is that take medium to wet bead, and during the encapsulation process you build your apex, you give strength to your nail, and then file it accordingly. Keep it in mind that this is the time only when you can give strength, rather the structure of your nail, only during the encapsulation of the nails with clear acrylic. And when you will file it and put the top coat, I am telling you that the level of satisfaction is immense, because you will get a 3D effect. You just wait and watch. Don't leave. Please wait and watch. I'm struggling so much and you will leave. Please don't do. Wait till the end. So now all my nails are encapsulated. I will come back after filing. So guys, I'm back again with all my nails filed, buffed, and I have washed my hand. Now I'm going to apply the top coat. Now I'm using Venalisa's long wear top coat, and I'm going to decorate a little with these craft items. See, these are such beautiful stickers. These are actually stickers, and my son brought it for me, so I'll be applying those, and some bling also. Where is my bling? Here, some bling also. Let me take this size. And my, where is my tweezer? Here. Now guys, I sped up this bling application process because the video itself became so long, and all the steps I am supposed to show you how I made my nail, so I did not speed up those portions. I kept it in real time, so the video became so long. Hope you are coping up with me. Hope you are still there and see till the end, because the nail itself, as you have seen in the thumbnail, the itself has become really very beautiful. I never thought that it will come out to be so pretty, really. And I don't know, I have no words to say. Now, while application of the bling, the nails, I am applying the bling, I am flash curing it in between so that it doesn't move from its place. So after flash curing it, means after I will flash cure all the nails, then I will cure it for full 60 seconds so that the blinks doesn't fall off. Now since I'll be popping up this nails, so I'm sorry, I'll be popping off. I said popping up. Something is wrong today. I'll be popping off the nails. So I applied the bling on the top of the top coat only. But if you want the blings to stay long, apply a layer of builder gel, then apply the top coat, then apply the blings. Then the bling will stay forever. Forever, I say. You can test it out in that way. So I'm almost done. I'm doing my pinky now. Actually, I'm matching the color of the hearts with the color of the tips of the nails. You like it, I think so. Do you like it? Now for the ring finger, I'm going to apply the. I'm going to apply bling on my full nail. Just see, I am applying these type of blings. Actually, I got these blings from AliExpress long ago. I never used it. When I was looking for the for the items for this nail, I suddenly found this, and I don't know why didn't I use it all this while. And I found it interesting, and I thought of using it here. So it came out nice only, Well, I'm appreciating my own self. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. I'm waiting for your comments, guys. So after placing the blings, I will give a full cure of 60 seconds. So guys, this is the end result. Let me put some cuticle oil. So, how did you like it? If you like my nails, I do this type of nails. I do many type of nails. This is one example of it. So, if you like it, please do subscribe. For more new videos, I'll be coming back within a few days with another set of nails. So, see you in the next video. And one more thing, whatever I used in this video, I'm sorry I won't be able to link all the products because maximum of them are made by me and some are craft store products. And don't you think the square nail is looking good at me, I was very skeptical about square nails, but yeah, it's looking good. And what happened here? Nothing. It's okay. It's okay. So see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. And one more time, chalo, abar dekha hobe.